This is the Van Jor Swiss Army mini knife. Paperwork. Instructions, usefulness, etc. Functions. And the knife itself. The tool. Small little device. You get a file. Get a knife right there. Pretty sharp. I think that's it for that side. On this side, you have a small pair of scissors. So there you go. Pretty cool. I'll give it a try out on the field. See if it works see if it works good. And we'll see how it does. This is available at any retailer. It should be priced under $10. Pretty good tool that I believe everyone else should have. Goodbye.